Hello everyone and welcome back. Today's video is going to be a bright orange and gold glittery smoky eye. I hope you guys really enjoy it. It also involves no eyeliner, which I absolutely love. So I hope you will really enjoy it, and if you'd like to see how I got this look, then let's just jump straight into it, shall we? So my eyes are already primed and I'm going in with the Anastasia Prism palette, and I am using the colour Eden. This is a super warm peachy pink colour. I absolutely love it, and I'm using this as my transition shade. Sorry for the yawn. And I'm using the Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. I am actually blending this colour up, or building the colour up to be quite pigmented, because I just absolutely love this colour. I think it goes so well with my green eyes. I think this whole look goes very well with my green eyes, so I would wear it again. And next I'm going in with the colour Satin, and I'm using this with the Real Techniques Base Shadow Brush, and I'm putting this colour on my outer corner and lower in the crease of my eye. This is making it look more orange as opposed to just peachy. It's also adding more dimension to my eye and smoking it out. I don't know why I can't stop yawning, and I'm not recording this again because this is the 4th time I've tried. So I blend it out, and then I just go back in with the colour again just to intensify it even more. I then grab the colour, what's it called? I don't know, the gold colour in the palette, and I am just putting this on my lid. I started off with that denser brush, but it didn't quite work, so I went in with my normal Models Prefer brush. I was not too focused on having this colour super pigmented, because I was going in with glitter over the top, but I did want that gold base to begin with, so I am just putting that on my lid really willy-nilly, I suppose, just because, again, covering it up with glitter. And this is the glitter I am using. It is a liquid glitter eyeliner from Wish. Personally, I would have gone with more of a orange bronzy glitter, kind of like one that matches the eyeshadow, but this is the only gold glitter I had. It still works, but just for my personal preference, sorry, I just dropped my phone, I would have gone in with a little bit of a darker gold, but it still worked totally fine. For my face, I'm using the Stila One Step Correct Primer. I really actually don't like this primer that much, which is why I'm trying to get rid of it. But I'm just using this on my face because it's really smoothing, and it also kind of helps to eliminate some of my redness a little bit-ish, I hope. But yeah, I'm just blending this all over my face and waiting for it to soak in. My foundation combo today is going to be my Magic Flower foundation and my Australis Matchmaker white drops. This foundation is absolutely amazing, and I wish it matched me because I would wear it every single day. It is really super full coverage, a little bit goes a long way, and it blends in the skin beautifully. Adding in my Australis drops also makes it a little bit more dewy, so it just gives it that extra skin-like finish, and it's amazing. So because my eyes were so bold, I wanted to be really full coverage, and I achieved that. For my concealer, it's obviously my Focallure Big Cover Concealer, because what else do I use? It's really the only thing that even covers anything anymore, so I'm using it. It's in the shade Warm Ivory, shade 1, and I recommend this concealer to everyone. I was then just using some powder underneath my eyes. I can't even really remember what one I used. And then going in with the powder on my face. The powder I am using is the Sugarbox powder in shade 1, and I am just putting this all over my face with my e.l.f. flat top powder brush. This is my favourite powder brush because it literally packs the powder into my foundation and sets it beautifully. I then did my brows off camera, and this is my last video I filmed using my Budk and ABH pomades, so that's why my brows are a bit darker. I'm blending the Toofaced Milk Chocolate Solo Bronzer all over my face with the e.l.f. complexion brush. I absolutely love this bronzer. If I could choose one bronzer to use for the rest of my life on my fair skin, it would be this bronzer. If I am slightly tan at all, it doesn't work, but when I'm very fair like this, it is absolutely amazing, and it smells like chocolate. Then for blush, I went in with my Hourglass blush. I can't remember what colour this is, but it'll be in the description box down below if you are interested. And I'm just blending that all over my face with my blush brush. This has a real glowy look to it, so I chose it specifically because I wanted a more glowy look on my skin. I then went in with my highlighter, and I was using Becca Pearl, I think. I filmed this like weeks ago, and some things I didn't show, so I will put in the description box down below what one I used. I know it was one of my Becca highlighters. I also used that same highlighter on my inner corner and underneath my brow bone with this itty bitty Eco Tools brush, and it's adorable. For my lower lash line, I went in with Eden again on my bigger pencil brush and just sort of smoked it out, really buffed it out on my lower lash line, made it look super smoky and amazing. I then took my smaller pencil brush and satin and went closer to my lower lashes. I blended this one out a little bit just so it didn't look too harsh, but I wanted this one closer to my lashes. I also put it on the outer corner to match it up with the shadow on the outer corner of my eye. I find it also gave my eye a bit more of a rounded look, and I really liked it. I just used a little bit of mascara. I went in with falsies, so I just used a really tiny bit just to make my lashes look black and to get rid of some of the glitter off my lashes. And then I used a purple eyeliner on my waterline. It was too dry for me to be able to use it on my waterline, so I went in with this brush and it worked perfectly. It's a Chichi eyeliner, and I believe the colour is called Beauty School Dropout, but I just wanted something that would contrast against the orange. I just put a bit of mascara on my lower lashes, and then I went in with my lip colour. This is a Bow Beauty, like $2, lip cream. It's sort of like the NYX soft matte lip creams, and this is in the colour Nude. Now that is not a nude at all. It's really more like a bright terracotta colour. But then I added my falsies just because I needed to trim these. I didn't do it on camera. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please check out my description box for my products and my social media sites. While you are down there, hit the subscribe button, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.